good, life is good, yeah. Life is good, life is good, yeah. Yeah, in my darkest times, you got me feeling like.
Morning folks, Richard here from Bikepacking Adventures. How are you? Hope you're well. I'm here in the Netherlands. 10 days cycling, just over 1,000 miles, 1,600 kilometres. Hope you can stick around for the next 10 days, and I'm looking forward to sharing it with you. This is the heaviest bike I've ever ridden. So much stuff. So before I get too far into this journey, I thought I'd show you around the bike, and well, first off, just to let it be known, got a new seat post and stem supplied by Redshift, and my bike fits all over the place at the moment. So come here, 1,000 miles, next 10 days, and I'm still faffing around with the saddle aft and the height as well. So, but big thanks to Redshift for providing both of those. They are sponsoring my channel now, which is fantastic to have them on board. Anyway, let's go into the bike. The bike is quite heavy, as you can see. It's fully laden. Got camping gear at the front, tent in there, pegs, loads of camera stuff, batteries, chargers, inner tubes up there, rain jacket just in case, the Garmin 540 solar, an exposure light, let's go in there first, munchies, got loads of Lucio energy bars, another camera in there I'm going to show you later on this trip, a few assortments, the drone, water, maintenance stuff, a water bottle full of coffee sachets, a plate, cooking for boiling water and things, clothing, bivvy bag, sleeping bag of course, sleeping mat. Here we've got a cat eye Volt rear light, and in case you're wondering what that is, that's lube, chain lube. That's pretty much the setup. I don't think I've left anything off. Definitely not as light as I have used in the past. I mean, this is built for, 10 days in the Netherlands camping. I should mention the tyres. These are brand new tyres from Schwalbe. These are the Pro ones, the 38C tyres on a DT Swift G1800 spline wheel. This is my third trip in the Netherlands. It's always very industrial coming out of the Europort, especially as you head towards Rotterdam. Just waterways, ships rolling in, not much in the way of landscape or houses or anything. They start getting a little bit more interesting for me as I enter the city of Rotterdam. This is one thing I absolutely love about coming to the Netherlands. Obviously it's the cyclanes I'm going to talk about, and it's just the width. It's almost as wide as the actual road itself. So over there I've got a nice slow speed limit for the cars, single lane in each direction, really tight. Anybody wants to go anywhere fast, that's what the motorways are for. All very civilised. Hustle and bustle of Rotterdam. It's so quiet, so quiet. I know it's a Sunday, but no one about. It's not even early Sunday. What time is it? 11:25. Getting towards lunchtime. Can't see how grand it is right up against it, but it's a fantastic shape. You'll see it better from the other side. There's the bridging they're going across as well, visiting all the way around the sights and sounds and smells of Rotterdam today. It's stunning. Hotel America, Hotel New York. Las Palmas. Heading there next summer. Oh, I can tell I'm in Rotterdam. I can smell weed. Let's try harder getting overtaken. there's the Hotel Rotterdam behind me. You can make it out. Beautiful part of Rotterdam this. You can see a lot of this over the next 10 days. I haven't decided yet where I'm going to have lunch, but I need to have something to eat. So I've got these Lucio energy bars with me. Brilliant. These biodegrade as well. You can actually just literally throw in the street if you wanted. Fantastic. So just gonna have pick one of these and keep going a little bit further. So I came all the way out of my way to see this thing. Huge fox carrying a baby. I'm not sure. Central Station. Look at that building. Wow. Gotta have a TV like that in my house. Just come around to the other side of the station. I'm actually looking for a landmark that was quite difficult to find on Google Maps. Now, even in person, I'm struggling to find it. Just had a mysterious tick 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 in for near the disc. So I'm just seeing if anything's touching. I've just released the caliper and just retightened it again. Holding the brake down. Usually does it, but oh, there's a screw loose just there. What's that one? Don't know. Don't want to touch it though. As long as it doesn't fall out. I don't know if it's something wrong with the bike or something. It's just rattling on a spoke or something. That's a good idea. Is it a spoke? Got chained. It's I've got a lot of weight on the bike, but no, I don't know what it is. Anyway, I just stopped here as well because this Santa statue. I know it's a bit random, but finally underway again. Just snipped into a bike shop, fixed it for nothing. It was just a disc touching the pads over and over and over again. So that's at least one less thing to worry about. Hungry now. I don't know how I'm doing for time and distance. I think I've still got loads to do. I'm going past that football stadium I put in. It must be kick off because there's a bicycle traffic jam. When you do find yourself back on the road, you have to you immediately question yourself here in the Netherlands whether you've missed the cycle path or something, but no. First off, apologies if I've got chocolate stuck in my teeth. It's a nice snicker. It's just occurred to me, clock's gone forward an hour. My Garmin is currently telling me an ETA of 5 to 7. Right, coming up next, the highlight of today, which I'm looking forward to. So I've arrived at the UNESCO World Heritage Site of the world's highest number of windmills in one location. That's a bit of a mouthful. It's called Kinderdyk. I don't know if you caught it in the footage there, but it says it was built in 1738. So what's that? That's nearly 300 years old. Wow. Listen, listen. Can you hear it? Above the wind? Gravel! Dutch gravel. This is certainly making up for the lack of windmills on the race around the Netherlands a couple of years ago. They're everywhere here. Fascinating, isn't it? I'm loving it. If there's one sign you should know about, it's this one. That means you have to give way. They're not going to give way to you. Yay! Perfect timing, could have run out. Oh, there we go. So we've arrived at Utrecht, and wow. Look at that! Oh, I've just brought the camera out because it's got a little bit less busy, but it's got some astonishing levels of cycling activity. People riding bikes for transport, and many on the outskirts, and it's a Sunday evening. The world's largest bicycle garage. It's just like a multi-storey car park, but for bikes. So I found myself at Trusty's Subway right here in Utrecht, so yeah, can't go wrong.
All is new today was going to be a bit different day, in terms of no sit down in restaurants and stuff, but hopefully tomorrow onwards I should have time to just do the tour this spring, but today it's just about making progress as far as I can. Well, I say far as I can, getting the distance done and still sightseeing.
how far I've got to go anyway. Let's have a look. 18k, 18 kilometres, that's all. You never know. Might just reach the backup campsite that I had kind of planned. If I didn't want a wild camp first night, there's a campsite I've stayed at before. Lots of woodland around here. So I'm about 11k from where my route ends, and I was going to go into a wild camp. So not too far long to go, and it's still relatively light. Shall get to the end of the route, jump on Google Maps, stick in the campsite, I think. If not, I'll come back this way. 2.5k to go. And just look at all these woods here. Perfectly open. Some trails. Things you could easily hide away in there. Why can't the whole wood be like this? It's so much better place to live, wouldn't it? Trees everywhere, cycle lanes everywhere, less cars everywhere, thriving towns and cities. And like I said in the beginning video, I have got a bivvy bag. Don't have to put a tent up, so I've got the choice. Bit of freedom. And you know, bivvy bags don't weigh a lot, and they certainly don't take up any space.
Well, it's the following morning. I didn't do any recording to wrap the video up. Yeah, it is 8:15. Just stopped outside this Chinese. This is where I stopped and had my meal on the end of day one at the Chin Industrial Restaurant de Groot Meer. Beautifully pronounced there. Anyway, I do hope you enjoyed day one here of my tour of the Netherlands. If you did, don't forget to comment down below, give the video a thumbs up, and look out for the next one soon. Take care, bye bye.
Coming up next time on Bikepacking the Netherlands. It's a no-brainer. I wasn't recording at the time. I was too busy drafting an e-bike. This cycle track into Eindhoven, in the last 12 months, that's 843,000 bicycle trips along it. 843,000!
My darkest time.